So done. I'm taking the bike out now. Okay? Pooja is also coming along with me. No lockdown, nothing. Last night it rained heavily and I wanted to show you something. I was talking about the BMW's cover, right? It is 100% waterproof. Proved. Check this out. There was a little bit of water here and there is like a ton of water over here. You see this? That's literally half a bucket of water and it is like this since the morning, which means the cover is 100% waterproof. Good, worth my investment. No idea where is this flight going, but previously when Begumpet airport was active, we had like a million flights going. Pata nahi, if Sriman was vlogging that time, imagine the amount of flights that were going. The moment I picked up the camera, hit record, a flight started going. Luckily I did not start vlogging yet. So anyways, what's up guys, kaise ho? Hope everyone is doing great. Let's start the vlog. Right now it is a little bit sunny, but actually last night it started raining heavily. You know, the worst thing about raining in May is it rains a little bit and then it gets so humid because of the heat. Right now temperature, right now it is 34 degrees, which is pretty normal, right? But no, you sweat a lot when it rains in summer. It's not at all pleasant. And I really hate using the air conditioner in the mornings. But what to do, yeah, so humid. We have to switch on the AC. Oh, by the way, this is the Daikin AC. It's a pretty small split AC compared to, you know, the other brands. Other brands usually the size will be at least 10% more this side and that side. I really like this, especially if you have a small room like this. This room is around, I think, 12 by 12 or something. When the wall is not like really lengthy, a small air conditioning unit there looks really good. But what I really hate about the Daikin AC is it's a remote control here. The response is very bad. I have to shoot it correctly so that it works. If I do it a little bit like this, it doesn't work. See? Nothing. Put it that side, it doesn't work. Exactly here. Shit. Compressor off ho gaya. I put it around 28, I think. Anyways, there are a couple of things that I feel air conditioning companies, air conditioning manufacturers, by now, they should have implemented this. See, for example, this irritating sound here. Every time you press a button, do you really need to make a sound? Keek, keek, keek. Especially when you want to change the temperature in the nights and you're definitely going to disturb the other person. Second thing that has to change based on your common sense, for sure, they have to implement a light in this. How do you find the buttons in the dark, dude? I know there are certain models that have a backlit buttons. Midnight may have to search for a biggest button so that I can change the temperature. The biggest button usually is the temperature change in this. 2021, we still suffer with this. And Daikin, that's a Japanese company. Japanese people, you people are next level intelligent. You have to consider all this. What is this, dude? I know Apple fanboys love to flaunt their products. I'm shamelessly one of that. But really, see this. You remember when I got this keyboard, right? I literally charged this keyboard when I unboxed it. Almost, is it at least a month? Maybe more than that. Check out the battery in this. 68%. And mouse. Even this mouse, I charged it, I think 2 months back. This is the beauty of Apple products. Though there is this stupid placement of a charging port, can't deny the fact that that's a stupid design. But then considering the quality of their products, and I mean, look at it here. It's been more than 45-50 days since I've charged these products and they still are more than 50% battery. That means, can I go like this for the next 50 days? That's amazing. First black, yes, good. Next white. Put white. Pink, oh yes. Put that pink. Purple. Nice. Where is red? Where is red? Show red. Yes. Yeah. Put it. Next yellow. Yellow. Where's yellow? Yellow. Yes. No. Orange. Good. Time is exactly 4 o'clock, which means two things happen. Number one, this DM will get up. Okay. And second thing that is going to happen is it starts raining here in Hyderabad. Look at the weather. Perfect. Looks amazing. Only thing is we can't do rides. Anyways, we can't do any rides. Doesn't matter because of the lockdown here in Hyderabad. Maybe we can go around 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock. The lockdown is relaxed. Actually, plan was to take out the bike today morning. 6 o'clock, I thought I'll go for a quick spin, at least to move the BMW motor, the new motor. It's not moving at all, stuck at 72 kilometers. So I thought I'll do that, but that didn't happen. I'm very sick now. I wanted to ride. I wanted to go for a ride at any cost. I know it is a lockdown and all, but अभी हम किसी का नहीं सुनने का. Are you coming with me? Yes, we are taking the bike out and going definitely.
In the BMW.
Yes, on the BMW. That too, we have a BMW GS Adventure. We have to go
Sorry,
out.
on the BMW.
Looks beautiful. This is like proper Coorg weather. It seriously feels like Coorg weather. That to May, Hyderabad. It's not supposed to be like this. Basically wrong placement of my bike. All this water, it comes and falls over this and pura jama ho raha hai isme. I think I'll move it a little bit more inside. Chalo done. I'm taking the bike out now. Okay? Pooja is also coming along with me. No lockdown, nothing.
We go for a short ride. घर के पास we go somewhere.
घर के पास छोटा सा ride. 72 kilometers only done. This is supposed to. This is like a shame for the BMW, you know. These bikes are supposed to travel the world. And it is sitting here.
हम घर पे बैठ के पहले मर जाएंगे कोरोना से.
It is so boring to be at home all the time. It is the need of the hour right now, but एक छोटा सा ride. चलो. This is what I'm doing every day. Opening the cover, looking at the bike and then closing it back. Chi. Hey, Naishi, where is the BMW? She knows. Naishi, where is the Triumph?
Triumph का है, Triumph का है.
Yes. Where is the Tiger?
And where is the tiger?
Tiger.
पीछे, there. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and very good night.
Okay, all geared up. I'm not like wearing proper gear because it is gonna be a small spin around my house. So only the helmet, no gloves as well, no jacket, nothing. Almost 15-20 days back. Feels so good to sit on the bike. When did you guys last see this frame on the bike, this particular frame? I think almost 15-20 days back. Okay, बहुत हो गया अभी. We are going for a ride for sure. चलो 3, 2. Naishu, you stay here, okay? That's it. My ride is over. Only till the gate. It is proper lockdown. You are not supposed to cross your gate, okay? Stay at home for some time. Can't help it. The best I can do right now is just take a spin in the lawn. Unfortunately, we have a big, huge bike. All we can do is ride in the lawn. Actually, you know what? I take the due and do the spins here in the lawn with Naisha. And it is very difficult to do that. GSA bed is so easy, dude. Oi, be careful. And yeah, it rained a lot, so it's all wet. That's it. This is what I can do. Lockdown mein. See, 72 kilometers done. Even if I take like 10 or 15 rounds, it will be 72 only. Hey, it'll be hot. Don't touch. I'll kill you. I'll murder you.
No, I just realized standby देखा. Just check.
Abhi, if you stopped it, it will show that. But you know what? You're tilting it little bit niche side. So you should push it from niche ऐसा. ऐसा पकड़ना नीचे. Now you can change the angle however you want. It is so nice, dude. The balance is so good bike ka. This is how you travel in the lockdown. Only thing is it is so slippery with all this water. If the bike trips a little bit, pakka is gonna fall down. I'm not worried about the bike if it falls. I'm worried about the flooring here. Imagine this huge rods hitting the floor here. It's so easy to balance the bike. Lovely. I'm in love with it. Woo! Nice to come. She's scared. She's scared looking at the huge size. So tempted to go out, dude. I don't know when the COVID cases are gonna go down. That particular day, next day I'm gonna run away from this state to the next state at least. Turning radius is really good, yeah. This is one thing I discovered in all these days from the time I took the delivery. One feature I can talk about genuinely is this one. Balance is next level. I would never be able to balance the Tiger here in this much of space like this. I'm not even putting my leg down. You see this? Abhi gol ghum ke my head is also spinning. Can I take the bike out of the gate little bit? Can I take the bike till here? Is it officially allowed? Okay. Oh, we broke the lockdown. Don't do that. We'll just take a spin here. That's it. What to do? थोड़ा मोटर चलाएंगे. That's it. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं जाने का. Hey, nice. We did 73 kilometers now. When I started the bike, it was 72. I mean, it might be 72.8 or something, or maybe 72.9. Where can I see that accurate measurements? I don't even know what these things do here. There are so many freaking buttons here. I seriously need to learn what each and everything does. Oh, we have cruise control. Oh, one more thing I have to talk about. No, I'll talk about all these features later. I'll be making a proper special video about the dash, what all these buttons do, because firstly I have to read the manual. This is called a wonder wheel, by the way. Now wonder kya karta, I don't know. Acha, it's little bit warm. We can put it back now. That's it. हो गया हमारा spin. How was the ride? That's it. That is our quick spin. In the city, no. In the town, no. In Malkajgiri, no. In Eastern Nandbag, no. No, am I giving out my address like this? In the lawn, yes. That's it. This much of area mein chota sa spin. Naisha, why didn't you come with me? Why didn't you come? Why didn't you come on the bike?
She was not in the mood. To go into that.
Basically, me and Pooja are right now waiting so that Pooja can get a ride on the bike. But this is how it is. When you have a kid, someone has to look after her. And this is what is happening since last 2 years. Both of us can't go out together because someone has to look after Naisha. Now we are waiting for my mom to come so that she'll hold Naisha and hold the camera as well.
Sometimes it's my parents, sometimes it's your
And then we
parents.
can get a nice shot of me and Pooja sitting on the BMW. Till now, you did not sit on the BMW till now. At Tiger Pe, you sat only once or twice.
क्योंकि वो मेरी थी.
वो मेरी थी तो you sat once in Ladakh. Hyderabad में never. छोटा-छोटा rides.
What
maybe.
never? Of course I came.
Once
कितनी बार
in a
तो आई
while.
हूँ. मतलब कि आप छोटा-छोटा rides.
I'm
Not like
pretty
big
sure
big rides.
BMW पे तो you'll not sit.
Don't
Because
have
I'm gonna travel, not the world, but
Hello.
I have plans to go out of India for sure. अपना बड़ा bike लिया, I have to do that. Look what am I talking. I'm sitting here in a lockdown in Malkajgiri.
That
I
is
did
the
a
best
small
thing you're
ride.
doing right now. Because
Definitely
it's
not.
unsafe.
I'm not saying I'm not happy about it. I'm definitely happy. It is like you got a huge bike which travels the world. Looking at it
There are
every
a
day
lot of
morning.
them. That way, a lot of us want to do a lot of things which we're unable to do. But then
So
life
do.
first.
And
Life
at least
first.
let me cry on the camera, no? मेरा frustration इधर तो निकालने दो.
Cranky पू मत बन. It's okay. होता ये सब चलता.
Even if someone says please go out from today, I'm not gonna do that because I
I
know
think-
I don't want to get infected. It's really
Do you want
crazy.
to go through it again?
Yeah, no,
We
no,
both
no,
died.
please no. That's what 2 days एक range में हुआ.
It was really bad. I don't think anybody should go through it.
So even if the lockdown is open, I don't think I'll run away. I'll wait for some time.
I won't
I'll
let
get
you run away.
vaccinated and all. Then we'll do all that. Even you people, please stay home. Don't run out.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. And you, don't eat the clips like that.
Mama का clip दे तो what is this बेटा? हट. बदमाश. बदमाश.
Sit. We're trying to click a selfie from that time. She's not
But she
letting
won't
us.
let us and she won't sit also properly.
You're trying to imitate Mama? No.
Bird कैसे fly करती है?
That is swimming, Ray.
ठीक से करो. Yes. Slowly. Now, what has happened? Please explain.
I was trying to play with her. She came running to me. She came and she hugged me here like this. And then she started biting. Look at this. Look at this, dude.
Show.
See this?
Oh my God, Naisha, तूने पापा को क्या किया है, bad girl? What have you done to पापा?
You bit me.
नाइशू सॉरी बोलो. सॉरी बोलो पापा को. नाइशू सॉरी बोलो. Yes.
I didn't expect she can bite so hard.
What do you think I tell you every night when the way she bites my hand?
It's next level biting, dude.
हाँ next level. इसलिए मेरे से मार्क्स हो गया हाथ में.
Seriously guys, the bike is so different. The center of gravity is so low that you can balance the bike so easily, and this is the first thing you will notice when you sit on this bike. The way it balances itself is a next level. I made some U-turns and all that with this bike in the city. U-turns were definitely easy, but I never expected it to turn so easily in the lawn. It was just like a piece of cake. Arre cake anakara bhai. Tindi gurtukostundi. Munde diet lo unna. Oh, by the way, no diet, nothing. Since the last, I think, more than 10 or 15 days from the time I got COVID, from that time onwards, diet has gone down for a toss. I'll be getting back maybe another 10 or 15 days. I'll put on maybe 3 or 4 kilos and then let's hit the gyms back. Anyways, abhi gyms bhi nahi hai, so घर पे भी I'm not like getting that much of motivation to work out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. क्या बोलेगा? like good bond.